Hi, and welcome to Opencontour. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to get started with our Mind Design demo project. If you've been curious about how Opencontour works, this is the perfect place to begin and get started. First, head over to our website and register for a free account. It only takes a few minutes. Once you've confirmed your registration through our email, log in with your new credentials. After logging in, you will land on our dashboard. Click the Getting Started button, which will take you to our Opencontour forum. This forum is where we share product updates, helpful links, and it's also a way to interact with our team. Look for the section titled Mind Design Demo and just click on Demo File Upload. Download and unzip the file package, which contains two files, the Ermo Demo Project Settings JSON file, which has all the project settings that will be saved automatically, and also the Irma demo JSON file that includes the full data set and the layers for your demo project. Now go back to your dashboard and click on New Project. Give your project a name, something like Irma Demo, and a short description, like Irma Project Demo. Click Next to continue. On the settings page, upload the Irma Demo project settings JSON file by clicking on Choose File and then hit the Save Project button. Your project is now ready and set up, and you can now view it on the CAD window. To complete the setup, drag and drop the second file of the Irma Demo All JSON file directly into the CAD window. This will load all the layers and the datasets, giving you full access to the Irma project demo. So if you need help or have questions, we're here to support you. For for software related questions or technical needs, please contact us at support@opencontour.com. And if you're short on time or if you need assistance preparing your base layer or setting up your projects, we understand how busy things can get. So please reach out to us. We can also offer consulting services and explore ways that we can work together at info@opencontour.com. Thank you.